So I find it very insightful. So one page resume is something that I've never tried in the past 5 to 6 months that I've been applying. I'm going to try it out, and I'm sure it's going to be helpful in getting more interviews.
Once you start preparing it, you will get to know so many other points that you can put in your resume. So that is one thing that I actually tried, and I think it has helped me during the interviews as well. Since I have written those points in my resume, I'm able to express them in more details. I have the details around it. So that is one more thing I would add.
Make you a different from other people, like other people have the same resume like 2 page and something like that, and you have accomplishment, then your chances to getting call getting higher, right? And always we talk about accomplishment in our most of the our interview call, but when you are mentioning those in resume, so you are making one step ahead.
We're actually introspecting about what we've done, and it helps us in the interview as well. So all these behavioral questions are based on these your accomplishments. So when they talk about give me a time when you had a challenging moment with a client, or where you had a very rough customer. So when we actually think about it and write it down, frame our resume, we actually know on top of our head what is my accomplishment, and how to gel it down with our, so your interview, the next phase of your interview becomes really easy.
Now with this new structure, I think it will be an improvement to what I've been doing recently.
It gives us a chance to look back on what we have achieved.
The session with Amir is so relatable because it's just not how he talks about what to do, he tells us how to do it. So I really like that point, like when he talks about how to give evidence, when he gives examples from his own resume, or helps us to introspect on our resume and what have we done. So that really gives us an edge, because just giving instructions, okay, you're supposed to do this, in terms of letting you know how you are supposed to do this, it really helps that way.
Amir, thank you. The session was really insightful for me. I've heard before about one-page resumes, but all was like, I would say, fluff. I never knew that you do not need to include profile summary in a one-page resume, and stick to the point and list your most important accomplishment that catches the eye of the employer. And yes, you also are very energetic in terms of you also have real life experience about yourself, and you quoted how do we get to the stage of applying with one page resume. And another thing I want to add is like you are really very motivating for job seekers. That means you said you have to keep applying, don't hold on until you get an offer, make a routine. So these words are really very important in these days, especially to look for when tons of rejections come, I must say, every week. Thank you.